Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a clean column of numbers. Now begin. Select that range and note if ties matter and whether you want inclusive or exclusive percentiles. Once decided, place the cursor where the result should go and type an equal sign. Next, start the function name, type percentile. Inc for inclusive or percentile. Exc for exclusive. You do this because the formulas interpolate differently. Choosing correctly ensures your percentile reflects the intended statistical definition. With the function started, supply the array then the k value. For a 90th percentile, you can enter 0, 9 directly or reference a cell formatted as 90% so you can change it later. Once you hit comma, Excel reads the second argument and computes the interpolated point based on your array. That is why order matters. After closing the parenthesis, press Enter. If you need percentiles across groups, use filter or pivot tables to supply subgroup ranges before calling percentile. Once you have results, lock the array with $signs if you copy the formula. This prevents shifting references. If Excel returns an error or unexpected value, make sure k is between 0 and 1 and that the range contains only numbers. Non-numeric cells silently break interpolation. Make sure to choose INC versus EXC based on your statistical needs, and if results still disagree, sort the array and inspect extreme values. They can heavily influence percentile interpretation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.